Abject.
Meaning, abject refers to something that is extremely bad, unpleasant, or degrading, often in a way that causes deep shame or humiliation. Definition: abject is an adjective used to describe a state of being miserable, hopeless, or degraded, often in a way that evokes pity or disgust. Examples in sentences. 1. After losing his job, Mark found himself in an abject state of despair. Here, abject refers to Mark's miserable and hopeless condition. 2. The refugees were living in abject poverty, with little access to food or clean water. In this sentence, abject describes the extreme and degrading poverty the refugees faced. Usage: abject is often used to describe situations or conditions that are extremely negative, degrading, or humiliating, especially in terms of poverty, failure, or despair.
English practice.